Hello, this is Kim Turner, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sort records in a data range. Sorting is a way that you can group data by like fields. So for example, you could sort based on the hire year, where all of the hire years will be together as you look at the data. You could also sort by department. You could sort by name in alphabetical order. Many times though, data is sorted by numbers so that you could see the wages from highest to lowest based on the department in a certain office, for example. So I'm going to show you an example of sorting first by a single field, like department, and then second, sorting records by multiple fields. To sort by a single field, simply click in the column of the heading that you want to sort. So I'm going to click here in E5 because I want to sort by department. Sorting is found on the Data tab. The quickest sorting that you can do is to sort from A to Z, which means lowest to highest, or ascending order, or sort Z to A, which is highest to lowest, or descending order. So ascending is going up and descending is starting at the top and going down. If I want to sort by department in ascending order, it means I want to sort alphabetically starting with A and going down to Z. So I click in a cell, I click sort A to Z, and then I check to make sure it's sorted in alphabetical order, and it is. Next, if I want to sort in descending order, I might want to see the highest base salary going to the lowest base salary. So I can click in the column with the heading base salary and then click on sort from largest to smallest or Z to A. So sorting by base salary, I have all the salaries sorted, but then the departments are not sorted. So you may want to sort records by multiple fields. You may want to sort first by department, and then within that department, sort by base salary from highest to lowest. And you can do that by clicking on the sort icon on the Data tab. This allows you to add multiple levels to your sort. So in this sort, I first want to sort by office location. So I'm going to click the down arrow and select the heading of office. And now the order is descending order because it's Z to A. So I'm going to change that because I want it to be sorted in alphabetical order, starting at the beginning of the alphabet. So I'm going to go A to Z. Then I'm going to add a level. So after sorting by office, I want to then sort by department within each office. Now normally you will sort on cell values, but you can also sort by cell color, font color, and conditional formatting icon. An example of that would be if you were going to sort on cell color, if you have created a rule that would make all of your negative values red font with red fill, and you wanted to sort on those negative values because they're red, you could bring all of those to the top so that you can see which departments are not making money. That would be an example of sorting on cell color, but sorting on cell values is the default. So I'm going to sort by department within each office in ascending order. I can add a level, and then within that department, I'm going to sort by base salary. And sorting by base salary, we can sort from smallest to largest, but we're going to choose from largest to smallest, so I want my largest salaries at the top of the sheet. And then I'll click OK. So then always check your sort to make sure that your sorting is correct. So first we wanted to sort by office, and in alphabetical order we have Boston at the top, so that looks good. After Boston is Chicago, which makes sense. Second, we're sorting the accounting department, so department within each office. So it starts with A, Accounting, Administration, Finance. So that looks good. And then within each department, we're sorting on base salary, starting from largest to smallest. So the largest to smallest, and then as soon as it changes to the next department, it starts at the largest again. So this is an example of how you can sort on a single value, but then also do a multiple sort by layering your sorts to create a more comprehensive worksheet.